Hi, Achy Dad here. We got a new green screen behind us. Oops, is there an edge there? Ooh, there. Okay, we want to talk about what we've been doing while we've been self-quarantined. Everyone's got sniffles, but nobody's showing any symptoms of the COVID-19 or coronavirus. But we're homeschooling. Sho, what do you think is best to do when you're stuck at home?
Ignore your dad.
Ignore your dad. Ignore your dad. Let me think. No. Next. Next. Brush your hair. Take a shower every day. So I've failed at that. We have been homeschooling though, and we've found you can get a lot of teaching done in a much shorter day because so much of the school is taken up by transitions and stuff. We have more outside time.
Whatever.
We built roads in mud.
Roads,
We started a fire in the fire pit and tried to burn oatmeal, cornstarch.
Which it didn't work.
What burned the best? Don't get so close to the mic. You're going to hurt their ears. What burned the best?
Sugar.
Sugar. Yeah, we're going to look that up.
It explodes.
Not really.
Yes, it does.
And we have a word of the day. We get sports time. I'm working at home some because I work for a school, and my wife's school.
You work for a school and you're teaching us something from school.
And my wife's little private school closed down, so she's going to have to get unemployment. So we're fortunate. We got food. We're using paper towels.
You didn't get Kringles.
No, we got Takis, though.
Talkies, not tackies.
Oh. Fortnite? Should we play Fortnite?
Now?
No. You don't.
Why?
Do you play Fortnite?
Sometimes.
No, you have never played Fortnite, and you can't. You're not even supposed to watch me.
I have played Fortnite, Dad. You know that.
I play Fortnite and connect with some of the kids at school. I find that Fortnite actually has some teaching that can be done. Strategy, teamwork. The kids are amazingly kind to me when they find out I'm an old dad teacher. And they are really don't give personal information. I remind them of that. Sometimes I even ask them a question and I say, don't answer it. It was just a test. And we need to do strategy. You guys are just running in, and fighting in Fortnite, which isn't as bad as parents think. You got to try it.
Yeah.
Try it, and your kids will learn to listen to you.
Snipe. That's what you got to do.
But there's no blood. We do some software, PBS. We found Novus shows to be great.
And YouTube.
Audiobooks. Sometimes YouTube's good.
Especially in not educational Nerf videos.
Nerf videos. Very rarely is a privilege. Movie night once a week.
Movie night twice a day.
And we found that How the World Was Created on Nova was particularly good.
No,
the
it's not.
Rise of Mammals for our science class. One of our old cars, battery it ran down. Someone left the light on, so our electronics lesson was jumping the car, positive and negative. We have cooking, and then we end with cleaning.
Which is the most boring of everything.
You're licking the mic. Don't lick the mic. Oh, virtual play dates. We have old iPhones. Sometimes we give.
And we have virtual reality too.
We haven't used that though. We should. There's so many things you can do.
Like what? Watch YouTube? Yeah, you can do that.
Yeah. No. Watching the birds, going for hikes, going for walks and bike rides.
Not listening to your dad.
Soccer, as long as you don't no contact soccer. 6 feet soccer, we call it.
Also.
Yeah.
I'm wearing it.
I'd love to hear what you're doing and what I'll keep posting what we're doing. I think this is enough, right? Let's green screen.
No.
We're gonna green screen some.
Is that
a problem with the green screen? No. This is a problem.
What's the problem?
It's dark. This is a green screen.
I don't care. Don't stop the thing.
What do you want to say, silly boy? You have a giant head. Move back. We can play with our cat.
Oh my God!
It's a beautiful day now, so we're going to try to get outside. Go fishing. All right, and we're going to get Shaw running.
No!
This is when Shaw needs to run outside.
No!
Or, wait, we could have a sword fight with the pool noodles. That gets your energy up.
No! No, don't stop it.
Say something interesting. Then. Something interesting.
Plugs.
We're actually getting somewhat along. And now we're going to stop the video.
No!
Unless you have one more tip with Legos.
Just play Fortnite.
No, Legos.
Play Fortnite all day.
Get your parents to try the games you're playing. And then listen to them. When they say get outside, say, okay, I'll try to get outside.
Dad, just do it.
Because they played your game a little to understand it. No speaker. No speaker. All right,
No,
time to go.
I know. This thing doesn't work.
Oh, it might. Wait. Okay. Now it's time to move.
No.
You're officially Bonkerville.
No. Hi, Dad.
Hi. How you doing?
No.
All right, goodbye. Subscribe. Tell
With
me
my
what you
mouth.
want more of.